बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी सॉल्यूशंस। इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे समर पैक क्लास 7 की इंग्लिश की कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ रह गई थी, वो कंप्लीट करेंगे। एक्टिविटी नंबर 7 है इंडेफिनेट प्रोनाउंस को यूज़ करना है। हमने एमसीक्यूज़ करने हैं। एमसीक्यूज़ नंबर ए है डैश हैव टर्न इन देयर असाइनमेंट, आंसर इज़ ऑल। डैश केम फॉर द ओपनिंग ऑफ द न्यू स्टोर, answer is everyone. Daniel looked for his dog, answer is everywhere. Very dash agreed with the Mr. Anderson idea. Few, I don't want dash to join my group, said Sam, answer is anyone. It was 10 p.m. when dash rang my doorbell, answer is someone. ऑन द पेज नंबर 22 जहाँ पे हमने कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री लगानी है एडजेक्टिव्स की, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमने कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लगानी है। मैं सिर्फ आंसर्स के साथ ही सेंटेंस को बोल रही हूँ। ए इज़ जोहन लेनन वाज ओल्डर देन पाउल एमसी कार्टनरी। बी सम पीपल थिंक फ्रेश जूस इज बेटर देन फिजी ड्रिंक्स। सी एरिक वाज more afraid in Harlem than in the subway. D cats are nicer than dogs. E cartoons are better than music programs. F the Empire State is bigger than the Chancellor building. G is Barcelona is smaller than Madrid but bigger than Valencia. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में हमने सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म लगानी है। A Samantha is the prettiest girl that Paul has ever met. I think that King Kong was the best film ever. C Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. D our English teacher is best teacher ever. E my room is cleanest room in my house. F Ron is the cleverest person I have met. The Millennium Star is one of the most expensive diamonds in the world. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हमने फिल करना है। एडजेक्टिव की हमने फॉर्म लिखनी है कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव। गुड बेटर देन द बेस्ट, नाइस नाइसर देन द नाइसेस्ट, डेंजरस मोर डेंजरस देन द मोस्ट डेंजरस, एक्सपेंसिव मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव, बैड वर्स देन द वर्स्ट, बिग बिगर देन द बिगेस्ट, प्रिटी प्रिटियर देन द प्रिटीएस्ट, फास्ट फास्टर देन द फास्टेस्ट, हैप्पी हैप्पियर देन द हैप्पीएस्ट, friendly more friendly than the most friendly, sad sadder than the saddest, boring more boring than the most boring. चलिए जी, अब चलते हैं हम पेज नंबर 22 पे। एक्टिविटी 9 है जिसके अंदर हमने एक स्टोरी लिखनी है इन वर्ड्स को देख के। अब स्टोरी ये थोड़ी सी गंदी गंदी लिखी हुई है तो हम अच्छी वाली देख लेते हैं जी। तो पेज नंबर 22 पे जो स्टोरी है वो हम यहाँ से देखते हैं। Once upon a time there was a dark and gloomy woods which has several pine trees, vines and large stones which are damp and dripping due to rainfall. There are a large variety of living creatures that can walk, crawl, swim and also can fly. There was a lake in the middle of the forest where one can find both alive as well as dead creatures. All the shore of lake one can enjoy a quiet and peaceful environment where one can feel the rustling of leaves, chirping of insects and birds, cluttered fruit, whispers of animals and calming winds. When one goes into the wood at the night, she finds it very difficult to walk due to spike and murky atmosphere, but the scenery at the lake becomes very beautiful with the moonlight. ये थी हमारी स्टोरी। उसके बाद आते हैं पेज नंबर 24 पे। एक्टिविटी 10 पे है हम क्वेश्चन है यू वॉक इनटू योर हाउस, इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, फर्नीचर, डोर, ऑल चेंजेस, नोबडी इज होम, शेयर योर फीलिंग्स बतानी है। हम किसी के घर में गए, मतलब हम अपने घर में गए और हमें लगा कि ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, उसका फर्नीचर, उसका डिकोर, तो हम इसकी लिखेंगे स्टोरी। ये भी थोड़ी सी गिची मिची मारी हुई है तो हम अपना अच्छा वाला देखते हैं जी। तो शुरू करते हैं। द अनएक्सपेक्टेड चेंज सडनली व्हेन I step into my house. Everything looks so different. It does not look like house before. It was even my parents did not told me that they are going to change the furniture and paint color of the house. They replaced everything. The decorations are very nice, but I love the old one a lot. The blue screen was replaced with the sandal one. The TV position was changed. There are wooden chairs from center to right corner. Oh, even the dining table too changed. There are wooden chairs around the table. Before it was steel chairs. The wall color changed from handle to blue. The empty house. After doing all these things where my parents went, the house is empty and the new look of my house make me feel like I am in some other house, not in my own house. Not only because of my parents' absence, but also a new look makes my heart feel so empty. Confused state you are in and how you came out of it. Wait, where is my family photo frame? Some other people's image are here. Is this my house? Am I entered into a wrong one? I will check. Someone is coming. Oh, it's our neighborhood auntie. What she is doing in my house? Wait, I am in her house. I think yes, right. I just using mobile and entered in a wrong house. He. जी नेक्स्ट पेज है 26 एक्टिविटी 11 लेटर लिखना है जी। हमने ख्वाब में क्या देखा अपने दोस्त को बताना है और लेटर दिखाती हूँ आपको दस्ते पे रजिस्टर भी कह सकते हैं और दस्ता भी कह सकते हैं, खैर जो भी है। शुरू करते हैं। एग्जामिनेशन हॉल सिटी ABC 16 जुलाई 2022। डियर फ्रेंड, आई होप यू आर ऑल फाइन। वी आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। आई वॉज absent today, so please tell me today work well. That's the other topic. The thing which I want to tell you is about my dream, which was very weird. My dream was about that I had to another planet, which was Mars. Firstly, I was not able to guess which planet was that. Later I got to know that it was Mars. I was too scared that I woke up and I feel very scary. You will be glad that I woke up at 4 a.m. Is not funny? I think it is. I told this about my family and they were laughing. Later my brother came to me and was saying, wow, your dream was very great. Say hello to uncle and aunt. Hope to see you soon. Your friend. आपकी जो भी दोस्त है उसका नाम लिख सकते हैं, बल्कि अपना नाम भी लिख सकते हैं। Next page is 28. Activity 12. The detective saw his opportunity. He grabbed the waiter's hand and said, create a story. स्टोरी लिखनी है हमने 200 से 250 वर्ड्स के दरमियान। जी शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज अ स्टोरी दैट टेक प्लेस एट द सूट ऑफ द ताज Connemara Hotel. One night it was raining terribly and the lights of the hotel had got switched off from a second till the generator restarted. The lights suddenly there was shriek from the room. Number 13. The people of the hotel rushed to the room and tried to open it. The room door was locked. They got the spare key and opened the door. Inside they saw the body of the clean man who was staying in the room. To solve the case of the murder, a detective was called who was very famous. The detective soon arrived at the scene of the murder and did his story on the murder. He bowed down. The suspect of 3 people. One was the person who was staying opposite to the room. One was the relative of the person dead. And the third was the waiter who had taken food for the person. अब आ जाइए पेज नंबर 30 पे, जहाँ पे है एक्टिविटी 13। लिखना है हमने डायलॉग और जी डायलॉग शुरू करते हैं. वन डे आई वोक अप एंड रियलाइज दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ एनिमल्स मी. बट डोंट यू creatures wish that you were individual little dog? Never. Individuals are in some cases horrible and relentless. Me, I know, little dog, but I am cheerful here. Me, are you? Little dog, yes, you take great consideration. You feed me great food and give me all the slash I want.